No one's listening until you make a mistake. You're welcome.
You can actually see our deck. How cool.
I love that you can hear the running spring from here.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Sit in the deck, having coffee.
Is it worth cutting the plate out or no? Oh, look at you, strong guy. Cut the plate out and I can beat at some.
You've been known to cut a plate out.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yay! Cool. Today's a nice day, so we're airing out the camper. It's been closed down for the winter. Pretty cool. There's some chunks.
A little bit of a process, but not too bad.
I'll work on it while you do
Taking
strapping.
it through here.
Ow!
Oops. Sorry. I want safety glasses on.
I have glasses on. Greg, I need to move. It's not safe here. Oh!
Knock the brace off.
Yeah, yeah. It's heavy, it might.
I think it did push it a bit.
You little nutso.
It's working.
Yeah. So this is what we got accomplished. Little section anyway. We'll keep working at it. I'll keep working at it while he's up on the roof doing strapping. But we got a bit done. Still more to go.
That's sweet. I mean, that there brook down there
Yeah.
is going to be great for just filling up. You can fill all your jugs right there
Yeah.
where it comes out for
Water for dishes.
for almost anything.
Yeah, showers, everything.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah.
I'd love to do a ram pump.
Yeah, that'd be really
Right?
cool.
That'd be fun to do. Then you feed your water right from the spring there.
Yeah. Be super cool.
Runs year round.
Yep. You'd always have water.
It'd be cool if what you could do is you run if you had like a rainwater deal, but you could ram pump the stuff up to a holding tank too, right?
Yeah.
So then on slower days, you know, it slows down.
Yeah.
You already have it up there at least. Then you gravity feed the other stuff.
That'd be
Sweet.
cool.
It'd be cool to set that up. That's real handy. That's a man right through there.
I know.
If you go straight through here,
Yeah.
like straight or right off the side here,
Yeah.
you're like 50, 60, 70 feet. You got to kind of go down a little bank there.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of water flow in there. But just filling them buckets for now, it's literally
Right there.
pretty easy. Because it runs right out of that spot so easily, heavily.
I know.
Convenient would that have been at the last place? We had the spring, but it was down the road a ways.
Yeah.
We had
You
the one on the
drive to
property, but we didn't use it. This one we can use.
Yeah.
I'll just start down the bottom one here.
Oh, okay.
We'll go in reverse.
That'd be 38. Yaysies, the front of that side's done.
Well, we got her done. So
Yay!
yeah, we're all the strapping's up. The only thing we got to do is put on the front the fascia board, and then the bottom fascia board on the end with one last piece of strapping. I'll put that on and kind of meet it up.
Yeah.
So both of us will have to kind of do it. We're about to get rained on though, so
Yeah.
we're gonna get out of here, and that's a good thing though. The metal's coming
Next
about a week, right?
hopefully. Yeah. They said we ordered it yesterday, and they said it would take a week, so we'll see.
Yeah, the trusses were actually the trusses were like 4 months, but
Yeah. The
But-
metal's supposed to be sooner.
yeah, and they only ended up being I think a week late
Yeah.
over the 4 months or whatever it was.
Yeah.
But yeah, the metal, we couldn't believe the markup metal. It
It's
was
crazy.
like another, I don't know, roughly like I think it was roughly 2 grand before, now it's 3, so it's up 50% or whatever.
Oh, it's gross.
That's the most for the metal we've seen yet.
Yeah.
Wood's actually, I mean, wood's very expensive, but it's cheaper than it was, say, May 2021. It was really crazy there. Sheet of plywood, sheet of 7/16 plywood. There's actually a video up here that we did. I think it was $64 for one sheet of 7/16 4x8 OSB,
yeah.
not plywood. Plywood was a little cheaper, $58, something, still a crazy price. Anyways, it's still expensive, but it's not as that expensive. But the metal,
It was.
we
nuts.
haven't bought that then though, so it could have been higher even then. But it's higher than it was in 2020, the fall, which was very high.
Yeah.
But it's gone way up. So,
Crazy.
anyways, we're at that point, and that's what's going on next, regardless. So,
Yeah, we certainly can't live without a roof.
yeah. But it's
Alright.
coming along. We're pretty happy with it.
Yeah. Yay.
We'll see you later.
See ya.